OTIS. Honest Coverage Walls!
Do you want to help? You can push that over there.
Well,
Just take
hello, you get to use the body cup. And here are the lips. And there's some nice, and the lips is nice out of Gen2. Right. Take this bit.
I think Benno and you put the voiceover answer in there.
And which floor are we going to?
We're going to one. I don't know where this thing is going.
And
13.
and
I just got
we go.
it's quite a noisy book.
It is, because you can hear everything kind of comes up, but it's quite nice being centered.
Ignore that in the background. The capacity are 1,000 kilograms.
Oh, I don't know what happened.
There's the alarm button and
We're going up.
You're seeing those things on YouTube where they do lift tours?
Oh,
He's into them.
oh nice.
Big time.
Well, look at that. Somehow our button didn't
and
get
here we
touched.
are on floor
Number
13.
13, thank you.
Now it's gone.
And now we go
Yes,
back
I heard just
down.
last night somebody said it's quite a noisy complex that you and my wife are separating, so it's about a new place to live. And it's just sort of like, is it suitable? I'm beginning to wonder. To live.
Well, it's affordable. I think it depends on your budget.
Well, it should have 250,000-300,000 deposit.
Well,
But,
you can,
And here we're on the first floor.
well, you and I
So I'm
can
going to have to
have a
stop
chat.
recording. That's it.